Um, you'll notice that AI is actually pretty good at creating sales enablement content, but so are humans, right? And you have to think about what is my end goal for this piece. It is perfectly okay for AI to create a draft, an outline, to give you some ideas for how to direct the content so that you can address your audience well. But it's the human creativity and the human strategic thought that is going to really make sure that the audience is connecting. AI
Yeah.
doesn't connect as well as humans do, right? We can try to teach it, but it's just not going to do that. You because the conversation has to be in your head. This type of content is very much, I need to reach you. AI is going to sound like a robot trying to reach somebody unless you get in there and you get involved with it. But the collaboration and the synergy between the two, AI and human, is going to make a piece come out faster because it'll help direct your flow. It'll help get you started. Yeah. You were going to say something, Nick, I could tell.
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean, I think for sales content, and we say sales content, we mean, maybe like a landing page,
Hmm.
right? Or, that's, or an email or, some sort of content that's asking for some sort of action. We find that using AI to write it, but then rewrite it, having a human rewrite it after tends to work well. Because what ends up happening, like Catherine said, it's sometimes it gets just too salesy, and
Hmm.
when I say, and sometimes it's on the borderline of being cheesy, where
Yeah.
it's not going to really, it doesn't really connect. So
Yeah. Or
advice
even
for yeah,
condescending too. Like,
right,
this is our
right,
brand and we're great.
right,
Mm.
right, yeah, exactly. So the advice there is, use it maybe for prompt an AI platform, to maybe give you an outline or maybe give you the bullet points, but then rewrite it so it's in your tone and voice, especially if it's a sales, a
Hmm.
page that, lead gen page, e-commerce page, email, whatever it is. So then it softens, it sticks to your brand. Yeah, so that's it.